Hello students, today we will do notice writing, which is a part of short composition. Let us understand what is a notice. It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, or a general instruction. Kindly note the key points while writing notice. The ideal length of notice is 50 words, so only relevant points needs to be addressed. Present the notice in proper format. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. Don't use personal pronouns like I, we, or you. Look at the format of notice. First, name of organization is to be written in the center, followed by notice in the center, then date of notice. Remember that date of notice can be written in American English or British English. After that, we have title or headline. Next is body, which is to be written for 50 words, and sign off by putting signature, name and designation. While writing a notice, these things are to be kept in mind. What is the notice about? Who it is addressed to? Where is the event? When is the event going to happen? The instructions are written related to the notice. Whom to contact or get in touch with. Now have a look at the sample exercise. On the occasion of APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, the school has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. As per the format, first name of the organization will come, that is Delhi Public School Ghaziabad. Next is notice in the center, followed by date, that is 13th April 2022. Meeting of Science Society, that's the caption. Now the body says, on the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair. All the office bearers are requested to attend a meeting in the school library on 1st May 2022 at 10 am to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Sign off your notice with the writer's name Vikram Singh, who is the Secretary Science Society. Another exercise. You are Monica Sharma, the head girl of St. Mary's School, Agra. Draft a notice informing the students of classes 9 to 12th about a workshop on table manners and etiquettes to be held in the school premises. Give all the necessary details. Again, as per the format, the name of the organization is to come on top, that is St. Mary's School, Agra, followed by notice in the center, then date 10th October 2022, followed by the caption, that is workshop on table manners and etiquettes. Now the body says, all the students of class 9 to 12th hereby informed that our school is organizing a workshop on table manners and etiquettes that will be held in the school auditorium on 15th October 2022, that's Wednesday, at 9 am. It is mandatory for all the students to attend the workshop. For any type of query, please contact the undersigned. Now sign off your notice with the name of Monica Sharma, who is the head girl of the school. On the basis of your understanding of notice writing, there are two questions for you. Question number 1. Your school is organizing a fair to school funds for charity. Only school students are eligible to put up stalls as head boy, head girl at the Mira International School. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up announcing the sale of stalls, giving all other necessary details. Question number 2. You are Srinidhi of DP Public School, Nagpur, a student editor of your school magazine. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, inviting articles, sketches from students of all classes. Hope you have understood how to write a notice. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.